Dear Crystal. Hi, Sunshine. I hope today is going just as you always dreamed. Can you believe we're here right now? I've had the pleasure of calling you my thing, my girlfriend, my fiance, and today, my wife. I'm so excited to marry you, Crystal. You put everyone before you. You go out of your way for everyone that you value. Your family, your friends, your colleagues, etc. I truly admire how much you put towards the relationships you have with the people around you. You work so hard every day at whatever it is you do, and you don't take shortcuts. Watching you work toward and achieve your goals shows me how lucky I am to be with someone so driven. You're the most beautiful girl in the world. I'm so excited to see you walk down the aisle in your dress, to get married, and to make you my wife.
Dear Nick, what a journey it has been from the moment I met you. Our relationship has made me learn a lot about myself and life. I have been led to you since I was a child. When everything felt like it was falling apart, it was really falling into place. My mind has always been noisy and busy. I felt anxious and not comfortable anywhere. With you, I have this settling feeling of peace. You are the most important person in my world. Thank you for everything you have given me. Stability, a second family, knowledge, patience, peace, and love.
I, Nicholas, take you, Crystal, to be my wife. I promise to be true to you in good times and in bad.
In sickness and in health, I will love and honor you all the days of your life.
When Nick and Crystal first started dating, I knew they were meant for each other. And it wasn't just when they were together, but when they were away. On many a drunken night, either in Manhattan or at the local pool hall, he would always step away, get to his phone, always say, "Hello, beautiful. Hello, sunshine." I thought he was talking to me, and I was flattered, but we all knew who was on the other end of the line.
Everyone deserves a best friend like Crystal. She is kind, smart, authentically herself, the biggest cheerleader, hysterically funny, beautiful, and fiercely loyal to her loved ones. Anyone who is around Crystal, even for 5 minutes, knows that her energy can light up a room and her voice level will blow the roof off. I couldn't wish you both enough love, laughter, and happiness. I love you both so much. Thank you for always being there when we need you. Everyone please raise your glasses for the love we have for Nick and Crystal. Woo!
wish you all the happiness, love, and joy and fulfillment that life can give. Salud.